Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crawl space creeper. It's a little creeper that I made to zoom around in my crawl space. Alright, for simplicity's sake, we're just going to make this 15 inches square. I'm kind of in a rush to get going. I would make it round, but, anyway, I'm in a rush. Alright, so the total height that I want is 8 inches. So I look at the thickness of my material plus the thickness or the height of my wheel. And let's see, what are we at here? We are at 4 3/4. I want my total height to be 8. So that gives me 3 1/4 left over that I need. So I need to make some spacers to fit between the two boards, 3 1/4. I'm actually going to add some foam to the top, so maybe I should remove a little bit more. So go from 3 1/4 to, like, say 2 3/4 to allow for a bit of foam. Because we don't really have a lot of space. You don't want to hit your head. So now we're at 2 3/4. We're just going to quickly put this together. I've got some marks where I want my wood, 2 edges, and then I'm going to center it. So let's do a bead of glue down the middle here. So just going to use 1 1/4 brads here. And we're just going to tack this together. And this end. Now, I'm going to add a couple of screws because I do everything in overkill. I got a countersink bit. Alright. Flip it over. Now the wheels. Put the wheels here. Let's mark these. Alright, we'll give them a quick start. Alright, I'll use number 10 by 1 inch. Because the heads are just big enough to hold these wheels in. So. So the wheels are on. And we'll roll around like that. Actually have some foam. Now this is interlocking, they're interlocking play mats basically for kids. Now you can get a variety of different kinds of these. And this one's got a lot of texture to it. I think I like the flat side better. So I'll be putting the flat side up. So what I want to do is just kind of tape it down and then I'll cut it flush because I'm lazy. So let's get some tape. And this is heavy duty indoor carpet tape. And then what I want to do is peel the other layer off. Okay, so it's just the sticky parts left. We'll put our foam on. We'll cut it off, the excess. So all right, there it is. Not pretty, but should be effective. Should make my life much better. So let's go try it out. All right, so we're gonna test it. I haven't sat on it yet, so we're gonna move it over here. Just kind of flop on it. Moves around all right. It's nice because it moves around in any direction, but it doesn't really scoot out from underneath you, so that's good, because sometimes the wheels are really good on these roller bearing wheels. Sometimes they're really good, and then you don't want to go too fast, too far, too easily, or else it'd be hard to control where you are. So this seems pretty good, although it would be fun to just go flying backwards across. The whole idea behind this is that I could be in my basement and not be on my hands and knees trying to work on, my wiring and my ductwork. All right, like this ductwork here, it needs taped. There's like big gaps and things, so we're going to tape that off. I have another piece over here that doesn't have any screws in it. Got to put screws in it. I've got to clean up old excess wiring, old excess cable, because people don't use cable anymore. I only have cable running to a couple of spots, and some Cat 5 cable running to a couple of spots. Anyway, so I got to clean up all this excess and then do some upgrades for plumbing and things. So anyway, that's it. That's my crawl space creeper, and thanks for watching.